I did just download a new integration that somebody put out called like Beatify is what it's called, and it's a music trivia game.
Oh, cool.
Home Assistant.
Yeah, into Home Assistant, and I haven't had a chance. I haven't had a chance to test it out yet. I did it while I was on a trip last week. I installed it remotely. I'm like, I'll do it when I get back, and I haven't had a chance this week. So that was going to be my plan after this was to test that
So
out.
how does this work?
It pulls from my understanding, it pulls from YouTube Music. It's either YouTube Music or Apple Music, and it plays a song and you have to identify it. I'm a little worried because it's a German developer, so I'm a little worried that I'm not going to know any of the music, but I'm going to give it a shot.
I think this got mentioned randomly in one of our creator calls with the team at Nabakasa in Open Home about, it was very fresh coming out. So yeah, I haven't played with this one yet, but it does look fun.
Yeah, I'm a in addition to being a huge automation nerd, I'm a huge trivia nerd too. So I was like, oh, this is going to combine both things.
Yeah. I'm going to find a link to that music trivia component you just mentioned to the app there, and I'll leave that in the show notes because that I think is going to be a fun one for people to play with.
Yeah, I'm just like I said, I'm just hopeful that it's more because I recognize that the guys that developed it was from Germany, and I'm like, okay, it could be. I know one of the categories was Eurovision songs, but other than that, I'm like, it says one hit wonders. From where? So
Yeah, let's find out. I like it.
yeah,
Yeah, I mean, it's trivia, right? You can make it as easy or
yeah,
hard as it can be. So maybe it's just
yeah,
hard mode, and it's like, here's this random. I know it's a German developer, but it's like here's this random
yeah.
like Latvian top 10 song that
Yeah.
it's like